Welcome back again to yet another new video. This is Johnz Empire. Consider subscribing. Subscribe now before we go any further. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a modern responsive business website using an AI. So, I'm here with my friend Shalom. Let him introduce himself to you and we continue with our video for today.
Alright. Thank you, Mr. Shalom. As the developer said, and we are here creating a website for a company, and we are basing on the AI, whereby we are considering ChatGPT and DeepSeek and more others. What we only request from you it is to subscribe right now. Yes, and
turn on the notification bell.
Yes.
Watch our content.
Exactly.
So that you don't miss. More fire is coming. More content is coming.
Absolutely.
Let us begin the video.
Alright.
So, and let me shift to Uganda because I'm good in Uganda and it's my mother tongue. It's what I understand most. Yeah. So, you will be giving them Nyankole for those who understand Nyankole. Me, I will take them in our local language, Uganda, you know.
Wow.
Kati katandike step by step guide. Jena tugenda kozesa AI nabbi obasatu. ChatGPT ne DeepSeek. Kati katutandikirewo. Kyosooka obeera ogenda kukozesa AI, ekikulu ky'olina omumanya kye bayita prompt. Prompt, it is how you talk to the AI oba how you interact with an AI. Interaction eyo kikulu nnyo kubanga bw'olina prompt gyesobola analyzinga n'etegeera kitegeera. Kati katugende ku ChatGPT nkulage. ChatGPT ka ChatGPT olwere twakola tulina business twali twakola olwere tulina description yaffe ya business eyo wano olwere mweri mu ChatGPT this business description for Shalom African Wear Designers, which is a business located in Kampala. And it is established, its area of operation is at Akamwes shopping mall. They specialize in authentic African wear. So that's then the business description we are going to use. This is the description. This is it. Cut in a description yaffe tugenda gikopa video tugenda gikolanga tetudduka nnyo kubanga tuyinza okudduka ne tubabuza.
Yes, msa kutambula mpala.
Yeah. Mpola.
Yes.
Kati description yino ngikopa kati kangitekera mu ChatGPT mwenyini. ChatGPT ndiwe prompt nyongereko.
Yes sir.
ChatGPT ngayagyongera prompt kati kangitekeko wano. I want to create a modern business website for this company based on the information provided above, generate me an advanced prompt I can use in any AI coding agent to create a fully functional single page business website for this company. Kati do not take out a stack like what are we going to use to develop this website? Develop this website using HTML, CSS, JS, Bootstrap, twagala gattemu sweet animation easy. Twagala gattemu sweet font C, font awesamu, sweet font awesamu, icon easy. Gattemu, twagala gattemu transition easy and animation easy tugattemu and tugattemu get photos to be used on this website from free sources like Unsplash, free pick, also implement any other components which you might find useful. Kala prompt yaffe kwoli prompt yaffe ogiraba nti like tugyongeddemu it is now a fully customized prompt. Kitegeeza bwetuteekamu AI ne tugigamba aye tugenda gyongeramu nnyo ekizigo tuliateeka mutesi wetu tugigambe tugigambe otuli twade ne description yaffe yiyo Shalom, description about your business. We have it. And what you do. And where you are located. Wabula tuongeddemu tugyongera okuginnyonnyola okukiga kiki twagala. Tetugamba bigambo nti we have the description ne tugiteeka ne tugamba create for us a website. Awujja kuba talina information nga talina core info kwebesingira ng'ecreatinga ki site. Ensonga lwaki twongeddeko information yayo sobola otegeera obulungi okitegeera. Kati kankulage wano tumaze kati kitegeeza tumaze okugigamba AI tumaze okukola information of the description etugenda gigamba eyongeremu like etukole prompt eri advanced ennyo kiyo egenda giraba byonna si byakuyiiya tukozesa AI yetuwa ekyokukola ate gye tukozesa yennyini kati this is an advanced prompt, an advanced AI coding prompt for a single page website for Sharon African. Use the entire block below. Assets include required CEO requirements. Paste. Kati. Now this is the prompt. It is here. Kati eno prompt wawe tujifuna tusano gamba one. Deep eno gundi yennyini tujigamba. Create for me this website. Kitegeera. Nanyira enter. Ebe gena tandika codinga. Okitegeera. Ebe gena tandika codinga. ChatGPT yennyini. Okitegeera yiye ebe codinga. Neffe kye twagala katugende ku DeepSeek kubanga DeepSeek yo eri advanced ye kaguje wazonna mu coding. Aliyo n'endala zikasa lavable biki ne kati ffe zina nnyo DeepSeek eno. Okitegeera. DeepSeek. Use the provided business description where we indicated here you want DeepSeek. Lero gena giraba DeepSeek ate yo esinga ChatGPT when we compare kubanga yo DeepSeek eri completely free gena giraba we are going to compare the output jalaba ya DeepSeek ne yachi ChatGPT yazama kwa yamaliriza dakati kitegeera ChatGPT ekyakodinga niye tugenda comparing olabe output. ChatGPT yemaliriza ChatGPT niyo genda laba wano waliwo preview ku kyebeekoze preview ogenda laba tewazijjeewa DeepSeek gundi ChatGPT kino kyekoze. Shalom African wear design is authentic African fashion is blending cultural heritage with modern styles ekiraba. Iyo nekirira nekolera about us, about your company, custom whatever. Which nete bidi clear tugenda bi comparing ne gundi ojalaba. Can stopping wano zijeko then can downloading ChatGPT link single page no yaji downloading ya direct download mazoji downloading katika tudeo ku DeepSeek ojiraba no DeepSeek ko bujje hii ekyakola ojira we kubira akalango kitegeera soko we kubira yuka akalango otegeka zituwa itinerary kitegeera
recording
kwetuli.
So guys, here we are, everything is working on successfully and so far now we have tried to the ChatGPT and he has already finished the coding and also tried the DeepSeek to also show recording and we shall be updating you. Please try and follow us. Yes, me as Sharon, I'm a tour guide and I can get seated towards and within and with outbound situated campus between the Metro National Park, Queen Elizabeth National Park, Kimboro National Park, and exploring like different parts of our resorts like around Lake Victoria, Monyonye, Lake Albert, Choga, and many. So please also like on my bio there down you're going to see our contact numbers. You can outreach us and call us and then we give you the right directions and I get to know when you travel, it's when you get to know the ideas and identify the opportunities after getting information. Thank you so much. We love you and have to serve you as well. For God and a country.
You see, DeepSeek is still doing the work. Yet ChatGPT finished in 1 minute. So DeepSeek is advanced and you are going to see the output. It's extremely different and extremely professional compared to that one.
But we are entirely supposed to command it on the picture. It's supposed to put there. We should change the picture.
You can change after generating a code. You can go to your whatever, to your text editor, and you change. You can change the information which is on the website.
Okay.
You can change. Now the good thing with AI. It does the work which would have been completed in like a month. It can do it within 1 day. Like this website. You can't complete it within 1 day. But ChatGPT does it. Yeah, ChatGPT. DeepSeek ekyakola kati awo kyova otegeerera nti DeepSeek kutereko wano gundi yaffe tugira mu downloads yiyo ogenda giraba GPT and we are going to compare here where it is here. Is it this one? I always want to use Google Chrome when opening like this is ChatGPT. DeepSeek is still coding and it is here. It is still coding. Dala. This is how they call a radio. System akabadde ka online radio. Nga kali advanced. No. Ekikulu kali kati gwa kitegedde Shalom. Wategedde zino AI ekikulu. The way you tell it, the way you give it a prompt. Chekikulu. Ekyo kyokka. How you prompt it, because for it doesn't understand. It's you to command it. It's you to give it what to do. Okay. Kati tegera wojuwa like ekitali concentrated. Naye gina kuwange ekomaawo kitegeera. Naye gina kuwange eyitako obisi kuki. Nga tuwa information ngeri konku. Naye tingi kuneko. And we have emaliriza ate no yene ya DeepSeek akuba boy kibuzeemu kiganyu vaayo kala gyetuweereddemu eganyu kimanyi kituufu egikoze naye eganyu vaayo okitegeera tujja nterabika bulungi kyalo mu African way eno ya DeepSeek gezezaako naye eganyu eno ya ChatGPT eganyu ndowooza DeepSeek yaffe emaliriza DeepSeek emaliriza eno output ya DeepSeek tukoledde ka site kuliko pages about colleges biki collections contactors wano tukaba tukapreviewingira wano kano kanka downloading tukalabira ddala nga tukalabira mu browser downloads kano nakunyiga right click open with Chrome tatugenda comparinga DeepSeek kyetuwadde ne ChatGPT DeepSeek yeno n'otunako butunzi nolaba just ekisookerwako interface esooka just wokka page yokka newankubadde tekiri perfect but you can continue modifying it and make it perfect. Eno DeepSeek etuwadde kino eno yabadde ChatGPT ogiraba ChatGPT yatukoledde ebyo biri mu kala white tebitegeerekeka ka page kali simple and easy ne kala teyavuddeyo bulungi kitegeera ChatGPT yabadde bwetyo bekati eno DeepSeek yeno DeepSeek negaseemu ka style kuba kati wano walina okubayo ebifaananyi kakuba ebifaananyi eremereddwa obiteekamu ekitegeere tuba tugenda biteekamu manuale kitegeera eremereddwa obikola kyo biteekamu yiiyo DeepSeek egezezzaako akuba ebifaananyi biganya okugendamu naye nga bukompeyalinga olaba ekintu kyekoze kiri some wa advanced nyoza okiraba naawe okiraba yeno DeepSeek kyekoze kati kano ka site omala okukakola bwoti osobola n'okukateeka ku GitHub n'okola kitegeera kyekyakiddako ku editinga no DeepSeek ene capabilities nyingi nnyo ate kino kyekoze ekoze just lwakuba just ebadde terina memory ya programming eno gundi gyetukoleddeko machine ekyali mpya ebadde tekagikozesa nko programming naye nenkulaga waaka gwenkolera ku yange ku DeepSeek oyinza n'okutya naye nga kyekyo video katugikomyawo